As many of you know, I got a new embroidery machine, but it comes with a problem. I just got this new thread pack from Amazon, and the link will be in the description, but it's got a bit of a problem, and let me explain why. The thread is not organized. So we're gonna do one of my favorite things, and that's arrange it according to color. That's more like it, yes. I am Jam of Crafting by Jam, and if you are interested in more sewing stuff, making stuff, and embroidery stuff, go ahead and give me a follow. If you want to see my most recent video, then go ahead and click on this. Or if you want to see another video of mine, go ahead and click on this.